Hi, welcome to another video of math-for-all-grades.com. In this video, I am going to solve a problem in geometry using the triangle inequality property. Let me write down. The triangle inequality property lays some conditions on the lengths of the sides in a triangle. Triangle inequality property of sides. The triangle inequality property of sides in a triangle tells that the length of the side in any triangle must lie in between the difference and the sum of the lengths of the other two sides. Let me repeat. Suppose this is the triangle ABC, in which the length of the side BC opposite angle A is small a, length of the side AC opposite angle B is small b, and length of the side AB opposite angle C is small c. Let small a, B and C be the lengths of the sides of the triangle. Then the triangle inequality property of sides lays conditions on the lengths of the sides of the triangle so that a triangle is properly formed. For example, if the length of a side is extremely long, then a triangle will not be properly formed. Again, if the length of a side is extremely short, also then a triangle will not be properly formed. Therefore, there are some conditions on the lengths of the sides in a triangle so that a triangle is properly really formed. That is what this triangle inequality property is. It says that the length of any side in any triangle has to be greater than the difference of the other two sides and also be less than the sum of the lengths of the other two sides. These two inequalities in one form combinedly can be written as in this way. The length of any side in any triangle must be less than the sum of the other two sides in the triangle and also be greater than the difference of the other two sides in the triangle. If the length of a side in any triangle obeys this inequality condition, then the formation of a triangle can be expected to be happening perfectly. Now, using this triangle inequality property, let us solve this question. Suppose the length of the three sides in a triangle ABC are x, x plus 5 and 20 minus x. I have written the length of the sides denoted by these respective numbers. Now the question is, which of these answer option numbers cannot be the value of x? That means, which of these numbers cannot be the length of one side in the triangle? This we can find out by applying the triangle inequality property. Let me do this in this way. Of the three numbers from the triangle inequality property, let us pick this part, a less than b plus c. That is, the length of any side in any triangle has to be less than the sum of the other two sides in the triangle from this property, as you know. So for a, I will write x plus 5. And in the right hand side of this inequality for b plus c, I will add these two numbers, 20 minus x and x. So the length of the side AB, namely x plus 5, its length must be less than the sum of the lengths of the other two sides written here for b plus c. So what do we get? X plus 5 is less than 20 minus x and plus x will get cancelled out. So finally you have x is less than 20 minus 5. After you take 5 to the right side, you must invert its sign. So finally you have x is less than 15. So from the triangle inequality property, if these three numbers have to be the lengths of the sides of a triangle, then the length of one side, namely x, cannot be as much as 15 among these three numbers. So the answer to the question, which of these cannot be the length of the side in a triangle in which these three are the lengths of the sides, is 15. This is how we can make use of triangle inequality property of sides in determining the length of the sides. Thank you for watching this video.